Yo, what is going on YouTube? Year One Blink here, back with another new video. Today's video, we got a Pokemon Sword and Shield Elite Trainer box. We're going to get this open for you guys, and if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure you do leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Let's get it. Alright, we're going to get this open for you guys. And there we go, let's get it. Sword and Shield Elite Trainer box. Zacian on the cover. Tell me if you guys been playing Pokemon Sword and Shield in the comments below. Okay, let's get this open. So first, we have this player guide. The two mains. Shows all the super rare cards. Well, all the cards that you can pull that are super rare. We want to pull these two. These are the rarest cards, and we want to pull any of these gold cards. These rainbow ones are pretty rare, but we mainly want to pull the gold Zacian. Even the inside has this like weird, the cool designs off the booster packs actually. Kind of hard to film, but you guys can get the whole premise of it. Now we have the case, the Zacian case. Pretty dope, Sword and Shield. Get this open. What it looks like. We'll take these out. We got some dice for the Pokemon game, damage counters. Little see-through glitter dice. Take this thing out real quick. Got our energy cards for your Pokemon deck. That fairy energy. Now we have Zacian. I think splitters. I don't know what these are. And the other side's red. Pretty cool. These cards, pretty cool. I like the colors. We got our little Zacian sleeves. I like these. The gold lining on the outside, and then they're gray on this other side, or silver. Pretty cool. Here's a free code to the Sword and Shield Elite Trainer box, Zacian. Put that in there, whoever gets to it first. Okay, we got the energy cards. We're going to open this up real quick. Just show you guys what you get. All the energies: fire, metal, fighting, fire, electric, fairy, dark. Just energy cards. Any old energies. Ooh, a psychic energy. It's lit. But yeah, those are all the energy cards. Let's get it. We got a Lapras GX, Zacian, or Zamazenta, Zacian, Snorlax, G-Max, Lapras, Zamazenta, Zacian, and Snorlax. So let's get these open. Okay, we're gonna start off with this Snorlax pack. Get it open. The code card. Put that in. Baltoy. Chinchu. Silly Petey. Galarian Zigzagoon. Muna. Palpad. Oh, we got this as our holographic. Well, it's not even a holo, but Grapploct. Fighting Energy. Galarian Lean On. And Rotobike. And a Drizzle. Forgot to put this one in there. Okay, we got this pack Lapras. So let's get it open. There's your card. Silicobra. Yamper. Grookey. Cuffent. Baltoy. Blipbug. And a Lapras for our rare energy, dark energy. Galarian Zinnoon. And a Switch Energy. And a Bisharp. Alright, we got this Snorlax one. Hey, let's get something good. Come on, baby. Here's the code. Shelter. Krogunk. Silicobra again. Missino. Vulpix. Hitmonchan. Reverse. Oh, Marnie. This is a rare card that's worth money. Hey, we got something good. Pretty dope. It's worth like $5. I don't know. It's up there though. Fighting Energy. Seeking. Ordinary Rod. Oh. And Beatty. Something good out of this. There's the code. We have a Score Bunny, Pikachu, Sinistea, Wooloo, Shelder, Goldeen, Reverse Common, Turtonator as our rare, Dark Energy, Stunfisk, Hyper Potion, Team Yell Grunt. Alright, let's get it. Code card, Glossy Fur, Goldeen, Diglett, Scorpy or something, Hoot, Energy Reverse, Scandaconda, Electric City Energy, Air Balloon, Pokey Kid, Heatmore. Code card. Uma, Roselia, Choodle, Blipbug, Rhyhorn, Krabby, Snorlax, are you serious? Green Energy, Hitmonlee, Rare Candy, Lucky Egg. We're down to 2 packs. We still haven't got nothing too great. This one might be good. Scrom, Grookey, Shielder, Mawile, Ponyta, Sobble, reverse. Oh, we finally got a crazy card. Victini V. It's about time we get something. Thank God we finally got something. Pretty dope. Energy, Bisharp, Evolution, Incense, Italy Band, Vitality Band. Last pack, Zacian. Hopefully we pull him. That'd be amazing. Oh shoot. Code card. Krabby. Mincino. Valerian Ponytail. Cotini. Score Bunny. Ordinary Rod. Or Beetle. Energy. Bloomberry. Corvuscaire. Galvantula. And that's it. If you guys enjoyed that, please make sure you subscribe.